Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. So it's whatever day. I'm kind of losing track. The skip's gone, so that they came and collected the skip first thing this morning. So that was about 8 a.m. So that woke everybody up. So the garden is now, well, the view out of the living room is now very much clear, and the little dry stone wall is completely unobscured now. And also the gardeners are here. And they've started to lay the sand and loam topsoil and started levelling all that out in readiness for the turf to go in. I have to excuse my voice today because I've got a bit of a sore throat and I'm starting to lose it. So I'm sure there'll be quite a few people going, yay! So it's Wednesday, the 3rd of July, and the gardeners are back and they're laying all the turf today. So as you can see in this sped up section, they're starting to roll out the green, which is fantastic. So it's Thursday, the 4th of July, so I anticipate today being very quiet on the internet, with the 4th of July being our American cousins' Independence Day celebration, so I don't suppose much is going to be going on Facebook and that kind of stuff today. So I thought I would get into the office early this morning. It's about 20 past 8, before the cloud cover breaks and the sun comes out. Because it's going to be another baking hot day. The gardeners all but finished laying all the turf that we wanted yesterday. They've got to come back and just do a little bit of finishing off today, and that's it, it's done. And then the epic task of keeping it alive in this heat is going to have to start. So I've come into the office first thing this morning, try and get some of my admin work done. I've got stuff that I need to do on the website. I've got a couple of website orders that need preparing and getting ready to post. I've also got to do some preparation work as well for a couple of videos that I want to do later on in the week. I'm expecting my new video camera to come in the next day or two from Amazon. The tracking says that it's on its way, so hopefully it'll be here in the next day or two, or perhaps maybe over the weekend, and then I can start next week afresh with some new videos with proper sound rather than just sped up and that kind of stuff, so I can get back to normal, which I'm kind of hankering for. Lovely big room, and I can't really do anything in it, but hey ho, these things are sent to triers.
Well, good afternoon everyone. It's Friday. Don't ask me what the day is, I haven't got a clue. We've actually got the workshop finished. It's taken a while, but we've done it. I'll just spin round and you can have a look. As you can see, it's rather full of stuff at the moment. The worktops are in. Excuse the bad end there, I'm going to sort that out. But yeah, we've got the worktops in. Everything's in. All the big storage boxes are in. The new machines I'm working on for the asylum and for Whitby, all the bits are there. Been quite a busy boy. The spaceship is for a commission, which will be, that's the basis of it. But yeah, it looks really good in here. I'm really pleased with it. It is so much bigger than before. Oh, the monkey. I bought that for my mum. I've kept it. It's because she really loved it. Apparently it looks like me. No comments please. So yes, very happy with everything. Looks good. Well, as you can see, it's all complete. Well, as complete as it's going to get. I need a big notice board for the wall to put reminders on because I have a bad memory. Mike's been invaluable as usual. He's the expertise. I've just sort of held stuff, nailed stuff and hit stuff. So that's it. See you soon. Bye.
So it's Saturday, nearly 1:30 in the afternoon, and I've just been down to the local supermarket to pick up some provisions for the week, and also we've invited Mum and Dad over for Sunday lunch tomorrow. But rather than do a traditional Sunday roast, with the weather being the way it is, i.e. far too blooming hot to be cooking roast dinners, we've decided just instead to put on a buffet spread. So I've been down to get lots and lots of bits and pieces: salad, potato salad, coleslaw, beetroot salad, cold meats, all that kind of thing, and stocked up on lots and lots of other stuff. I've left Ian gardening in the front garden. We're moving a lot of the plants around in the front garden, so he wanted to get his hands dirty today, so I've let him do that. And of course, it's Saturday, it's the first Saturday in July, so I've also launched the Mission Inspiration challenge for July this morning too, at lunchtime today actually, 12 o'clock. So that should keep everybody busy. So Ian's just telephoned me on the way back home. He said, "Have you passed the garden centre yet?" No, I'm just coming up to it. Ooh. So I said, "Just nip in and get some more lavender, will you? Because we've not got enough." See, lavender is one of those aromatic plants that if you have it in the front of the house on sort of balmy summer evenings, if there's a gentle breeze and you have your windows open, it wafts the scent of the lavender through the windows and gently sends you to sleep, because lavender is one of those scents that has a relaxing, soporific effect on you. You'll be nodding off before you know it. It's also perfect for dragging your fingers over the tops as you're walking past and then going.
I noticed when he mentioned marble tops, you looked a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take it off.
Mr. Comfy Boy sat in the middle, look.
Start with his nana. Not bothered about me, then he's bothered about nana.
So it's now, hello, young man. It's now Sunday afternoon, about 6:30, and Mum and Dad have just left. Ian's just taken them back home again after a rather lovely Sunday lunch, and obviously a nice visit. We've been sat outside in the garden now that we have grass, and Bentley's had a nice cuddle with his grandma and granddad. And yeah, a nice cuddle with grandma and granddad. Have you? So yeah, so Ian's just taking them home. Obviously, it's only about 20 minutes and then 20 minutes back again. So I'm going to put the kettle on now and make myself a nice cup of tea and settle down and probably have a bit of a snooze because I'm worn out. Are you worn out as well? Yeah. Are you worn out as well? Are you tired? Go sleep. So probably this will be the last video of the week. So I will say goodbye. We will both say goodbye. You've seen something out of the window. And say we will see you all next week. Bye for now. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.